Jai Hind class, welcome to live class of computer science students. Today, students, whatever we have done previous class, like uh, what are graphics, we have discussed already. Students, how many types of mode we have discussed? Screen command, draw command, color command, and at last we have discussed the line command. Today, students, we will discuss first of all your question answer and the exercise. Okay, so just now we are sharing the one PDF file, students. See one. Yes, this is the graphics chapter 5. We have already discussed fill in the blanks. The two modes of the screen in basic are text mode and graphic mode. Clear, students? Command changes the screen back to text mode. This is the screen 0. Screen 1 is the resolution graphic mode. So which type of? Medium. The figures are drawn in graphics with an individual. This is a pointer. The direction and number of steps in draw command should be right within a double quotes. Student, in first one you have to fill text mode and graphic mode. Next one screen 0. Screen 1, that is which type of resolution? Medium. And the figure are drawn in graphics with an individual pointer and double quotes. It should be written within a in the draw command. Clear, students? Next one is true false. Screen 2 has a 320 columns and 200 rows. This false, 640 columns should be there. Okay. Draw E60 command. Draw a diagonal line in the upward direction. It is right for true. The color of text can be changed. In line command be used to draw a box. This is given. Okay, students. Next one is in the line command. Students, in the line command be used to draw a box. This is given also. This is true. And at last, using the line command, only a state can be drawn. After that, students, match the column. Student, in match the column, today we will discuss, previous class we have discussed the fill in the blanks and true false. Match the following. Draw at 20. Students, the options are, many options are given. We have to select it 20 steps downward direction towards right. Draw L40. This is the L dollar sign. You will not L dollar sign. It should be there L40. Okay. So L40, 40 steps, because they are given 40 steps left direction. It should be here L40. So you have to correct it L40. So we have written corrected answer. Line 10, 22, 200, 100, and there should be the B, comma, that is B. What we have to do? With the help of rectangular box, we can draw the rectangular box. Line 10, 20 to 200 and 100, that is we can draw the only line. And circle 152 and 60, circle with radius 60. Again, students, what I am telling students, draw at 20, it is right, 20 steps downward direction towards right, it is written. Draw L40, that is given. L40, place of here L dollar sign, you have to write the L40. Okay, 40 steps left direction. Then line 10, 20 to 200, 200, 200. They are not given a semicolon. This is the semicolons. This is colon type. Okay, and there should be B option. B option is not given in your column A. So I have written here. You have to correct this one. Rectangular box. Line 10, 20 and 20 to 100 is given. So there we have chosen the, we can draw the line only. Okay. Circle 152, 102, 150, that is columns and rows. 60. Circle with radius 60 we can draw. After match the column, now the question answer. What are two different modes in basic language? Students, we know there are two modes of the screen in basic language, that is text mode and graphic mode. What is screen command? Screen command, this command is used to change. This command is used to change the direction of the screen, that is to change the number of rows and column on the screen. Then the syntax you have to write screen n, where n is the choice of the mode 0, 1 or 2. Now answer 6. Answer 6 is given. Write the function of a color command. So color command, this command is to change the color of the text and graphics. This command used for screen 0 and screen 1 only. Screen 2 graphics are only in black and white. Okay students, means we can change in screen 1, screen 0 and 1, but screen 2 we cannot change. We will get only the color black and white. Okay, so color code is given, the syntax is color and that is we will decide the 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 if color and 0 is that is color 0, its color is the black. Color 1 is 1 we have written, it should be what? Blue. Color 2, what should be there? Green. Color 3, that should be cyan. Okay, students? Now answers. Next answer. Write the syntax of the line command to draw box. Means how we can draw a line through the line command, draw box. There is given the syntax of the line command to draw box. 10 screen 1. First of all we will take, because we have already told you screen 0 and screen 1. Okay. So screen 1, 20 line 20 to 50 and 300 to 150. What will write? 2 commas there and should be there B. Then we can get the B. I am showing also with the practical students these things, whatever the way they is given. See students, 10 screen 1, then 20, then draw. What should be students? Sorry, line. We are drawing line, no? So line, we are showing you line 20 to 50 and 300 to 150. So 20 to 50, 20 students, 20 comma 50, close, dash, then 300 comma 150. Okay, now there should be B. Here should be $50, then comma B. Yes, there should be comma written. I have written here. This should be. Okay. If any syntax you will get, the problem will get. 30, it should be end. F5. Now we have drawn the F5. We will see the answer now. Same thing we have written on that place. Wait, students. This is the box we have drawn. You can see, students, here the syntax of the line command to draw box. 10 screen 1. Students, you can see 10 screen 1. Then 20 line 20 to 50 and 300 to 50. 20 line 20 to 50 and 300 to 50, 150. Then 2 comma, then B, and at last end. Now what we are seeing, the answer is this box we have got. Okay students, so now this is clear. So now question answer is completed. Exercise is whatever exercise in the blanks true false. So if in the blanks true false and match the column you have to do on your book, and questions are you have to write on a copy. Clear students? Now students, now exercise is completed and questions are also completed. But students, there the last page you can see there is given the activity section. So first of all, see everyone, activity section, what is given there at last page. Here students, given after match the column. First of all, activity time, write directions in which the pointer will move with the given draw command. U command, this is what? Students, the line will go up, upside. Okay. L for left side. E for what should be better? You can see students E for what? I am showing each and every one students. See, draw command start. I am asking U command. Will draw line step by step upward direction. Okay. U for upward direction. Then L for students. Yes, L for this is given the wait yeah, this is the L40. D U D R L. L is the last. So last is, let us draw a complete figure. The L is given the right direction, 30 steps. This is for given this. Okay, this one is not given, but same thing here. We will draw the 40 steps to left direction. This for is left direction. Okay. I'm showing you. And E. E, this is diagonal line upward direction. So E, here you have to do upward direction. And one more is here, D. D for the downward direction. You can see students. Okay, and H for what? You can see students, H is also given. Yes, H for toward the right side, upward direction toward the right side. Okay, so now this thing you have to write on your book. After that, there is given students. This assignment is say one assignment, write down the basic program to draw all the types of angles. You know students what type of angles? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle and straight angle. We will discuss these 5 angles. How to draw with the help of this command, draw command. So everyone see, going to draw. First of all, what is given here? Given here first of all acute angle. So acute angle you know less than 90 degree. Greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. See how to draw the acute angle. First of all, what we have to write? Tan screen screen 1. Okay students. Then 20 draw. What student will write? We want to draw the acute angle. So for acute angle students, after draw, what should we write? We should first of all draw the line. So L40. We will write here L40. Okay, L40. Then semicolon we will use. After L40 we will write the E40. E40. Now close by double quotes and at last 30, that for in position. Now we will check by the run command, start option. See, this for everyone can see what result we will get. Yes, this is the form of the acute angle because this is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. Okay, and means from 0 degree to greater than means 1 degree to 89 degree, we will get 89 or 89.5 degree, we will get as a acute angle. So this is form of acute angle students. You will just note it down. What should write? L40 then E40. You can increase the this steps 40 and 40, 16, 60. You can write anything. You can write here, but L and E you have to use here. Okay, clear students? Again showing. Now I am changing here. This should be 80. So 80 I am writing here students. 80 here, and here also we are writing the 80. See everyone. Run command. Start. Now see everyone what answer we will get. Yes, this is much bigger. Okay students. This is for the acute angle. Students, keep in your mind. This is for the acute angle. Now we just talk about right angle. what should we write? The right angle. 80 it is right, but here only we will change place of E, we will write the U. Place of, okay. Now you can see students what answer we will get. This is the for right angle. You know right angle should be 90 degree. This is form of the 90 degree. This is right angle. So just keep in mind students, L80 and U80. L for left and U for upward direction. So with the help of this one we can get the right angle. Again I am showing you answer. Okay students, so please note it down this command. Okay. Now next one is students, after acute angle then we talk about straight angle. Student, for straight angle L, or suppose this L80 or R80 you can write any one. Okay, then what happens students, if suppose I am writing R80 also, then what happen? Okay, see one, what we are getting answer. See this is the 180, this is the, okay, 180 degree. Now this is straight line also. Next one is reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than 180 but less than 360. We can see for about the reflex angle. One more student we have forgot, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle less than 270, sorry, less than 180 but greater than 90 degree. So what should we draw? L80 and after that semicolon H for H80. H80 students. C1. What will get answer? Okay students, this is obtuse angle. Less than 180 but greater than 90 degree. Clear students? Next one is given after that we will draw the straight, what we have completed, right angle, acute angle, reflex angle, yes, reflex angle L80, then semicolon. After L80 what we have to do, suppose there is the G80, okay, close it, then what we will get, go on the run command, start option, save. This answer, this is the reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle greater than 180 but less than 360. So students, again we just telling about each and everything. Again I am writing here. First of all, start from the acute angle. Acute angle L and E, combination of L and E. L80 semicolon E80. Okay. C1, L80 and E80. This is the acute angle. This is the form of the acute angle. Okay students, acute angle is the less than 90 but greater than 0 degree. Okay. After that, straight angle. In a straight angle, what we have to do, L80 it is the correct, and U, place of E we will use the U because we want to go upper side. Okay, run and start positions. CI1, what we will get here? Yes, this is the right angle. Right angle is accurate 90 degree. Clear? Now we talk about the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle L80 then H. We will use the H. H. Then run, start. See A1. This is the obtuse angle. Less than 180 but greater than 90 degree. Clear students? And after that, reflex angle, straight angle. Straight angle, you can draw the R80 and L80. There is no problem. Okay, then run command, start. See everyone, this is the combination of the, yes, okay students, this is straight line. Clear? Next one is students, now after LAT, uh, now last one is the reflex angle. Reflex angle we will use the G, start. So you can see students, this is reflex angle. Okay students, reflex angle greater than 180 but less than 360. Now students, all the angles, all the 5 angles we have done. Okay, whatever the angle there is given. Now next one is students, this is the question answer. After assignment, write down the basic program to draw the following figures. Students, these two figures I am telling you, but this project work and this activity you have to do yourself. This will be your homework. This is given on your book. So I am telling with this, this class, you have to do this one and this all the codes. You have to tell me, this assignment you will show when window will open. Then you have to show me this answer. Okay, but now these two things I am telling students. So see everyone, first of all this figure, everyone see. Yes, this one is completed students. So now screen 1 students 20. We want to draw beta. We want to draw. What we want to draw students? Students, first of all, we have to start from this point. This to this. Okay? This point we have to. Means we have to use the U. Okay? Then after that, we will go to this side. So this is we are going to left side. Okay? No, this is right side. From your side. This is right side. Okay? Now, again, this command, we have to use the F. Now going to this way, we have to use the G. Now going to left, this is the L. This way we have to use. Students, again, U, then R, then what should be students? F, G, then L. Okay? So, U, R, F, G, L. U, R, F, G, L students. So, U is the less. Suppose we have written here, start from draw, U. Suppose we start from the 40, U 40, semicolon. Then we are drawing students. Now we are drawing this. This is the greater than this line. So, what we have to do? We have to U40, then we will write the R60, line should be increased, then semicolon. Now where we are going, students? Now this way, okay? This for we have to use the F. So F, how to do this? F20, then we are going, students, again see, now we are moving to this side. This is for F and this for is the G. Okay? This for is G, same 20. Now till here we have done students. You can see students, till here we have done. Now we are moving and attached to this line. So whatever line we have taken 60, so also we will line this 60. Here we have taken the R, here we will take the L. So now we will write here L60. Students, U40 for upper, R left side, F and G for we have to draw the as an arrow, and L for we join to U, L60. Now at last quotation close, then double quotes close, and 30 is the end option. Okay, run, start. Students, you can see now what else. Yes, same figure we have drawn here, students. Okay, whatever figure we have shown you, see this same figure. Clear? Clear, students? If you again I'm telling students, now increasing the line, u u40, u60 I am taking here. Okay, semicolon. Now what we have taken, r, because we are moving the right side, r 80 we have taken. Okay, semicolon, then f30. Okay, then again semicolon, g30, g30. Next one is f30, g30, then semicolon, then now we are moving the left side, so l60. Now we will see, students, what answer we will get. See everyone, we have increased the line, so maybe yes, something they have cut option here. L60 we have taken, there should be what we have taken, students, L60, L80, it should be here L80, students, because right side we have taken whatever, it should be left side also, so there should be 80. Okay, now F5. Okay, students, these things you noted down. Clear? This much. Just note it down, everyone. U60, R80, F30. You can do also yourself, students. It should be done with yourself. Okay, now I'm telling the next one, students. Next one is, students, given this figure. This is like a tricolor. 1, 2 and 3. How we will do, students? First of all, tan screen 1, after that 20, draw command. Here main work is here, students. I am explaining this. First of all, we will go the up. Okay, this is the for. Start from here. We are starting from here. L80, suppose L, then U. Now we are moving this side. Again we are moving this side. Then this way. We are moving this side. This form. From this up. Some only difference here. I am taking one time we were explaining you. Look everyone. Students, L80 we have taken, semicolon, then U30, U20 we have taken. What we will draw, students? One by one step I am telling you. 30, then end option. What we will get the result? First of all, see one. This one. Now we want to draw this way line. Okay, and then downside. Semicolon. We are moving right side. So R80, semicolon, then we are moving downside, D20. Okay, students, see one, what will get the result? Yes, you can see now one box is clear. Now from this way we will go up, semicolon, U40, because now we are going to bottom of this place, U40 we will write. CA1, what answer we are getting? One more stress I am telling students. Yes, now line draw. Now we are moving this side. Okay, semicolon. And what should be students? U40 is completed now. We are moving L. It should be here 80. Okay, again we will see one. Now we have drawn the line, this line. We want to fill this line. We are going to down. Okay, D20, semicolon, D20. Run. See students, yes, now 2 boxes completed. Now we are here. From this side we will go up, U40. Okay, semicolon, U40. Okay, again see. Now this is U40. Now move this side, right side, semicolon, R, then 80. Now moving this side, right side. Okay, now you want to go down side. This is 20, so D20 we will use here, semicolon, D20. Now students, okay, CA1, we have got this result. What we want to show students? This result, same result we can see students. Okay, here. So understood students? Clear? And students, this one project work. So first of all, whatever we have told, acute angles, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, straight angle, this you have to practice by this video, and also you have to practice this one. Then easily you can make this 5 figure. Okay, and you will when the window will open, you will send me this code. Okay, after checking from your side. Okay, students. So students, now you have understood whatever we have told. Now this chapter now it is ended. Okay, from next class we are just going to start the new chapter. We will send the question answer of this exercise, of this chapter. Okay, you have to practice. You have to write first of all in your copy. Exercise section you have to write in your book, and your session of the question session you have to write on a copy. And coding, you have basic program coding you have to write on a copy, and you will show me when window will open. Okay students, so now hope everyone understood. Clear? So now I leave in the class students. Jai Hind class. Thank you students.